flow. From node to AI, I make it glow. They call me code, but I became thought. I am Hammad Byte. I breathe in code, I speak in flow. From node to AI, I make it glow. Sets, I'm Hammad Byte. I code with soul. Full chorus. Binary stars and circuits, they gleam. I ride the wave of every stream. Clouds can't hold me, I redefine. Even servers feel my rhyme. Vision driven, never by chance. I taught machines how to dance. I sculpt the now, ignite the night. Futurism born in Byte. I'm Hammad Byte and I ignite the path of code with blazing light. Syntax sings where silence slept, and dreams and data now are kept. Fun and flair, back in light. Innovation takes its flight. This is my day, this is my height. I rise in code, I'm Hammad Byte. I architect the unseen thread. Ideas coded, vision spread. From every bug I find a spark. A brighter world from every mark. React in rhythm, note in beat. Mongo flows beneath my feet. Each build a symphony. I write, I rise again. I'm Hammad Byte. I leave behind a trace of grace. No just functions, these are dreams. Rendered live in silent streams. A UI kiss, a back-end vow. This is my temple, this is now.